present simple versus present continuous. A mistake English learners often make is mixing up the present tenses, and one reason is that the name present simple makes it sound as though it would be useful for all actions happening right now at that very moment in the past. But that's generally not the case. For actions happening right now, the present continuous tense is used. Present simple is formed like this: subject, then verb. We use the verb in its base form, adding an s for the subjects: he, she, and it. For example, Amy studies. Present continuous is formed using the subject, then the present form of the verb to be, and then the present participle of a word. For example, Amy is studying. Let's compare our two sentences. Amy studies, Amy is studying. Is there a difference in meaning between the two sentences? This sentence in the present continuous refers to an action that is happening right now, or it could be referring to something temporary. To add some context to the sentence, we might say Amy is studying. She can't go out now. Or turn down the music. Amy is studying. This sentence, which is written in present simple, is more of a general statement. Amy is not necessarily studying as we speak, but in general she studies. We might add a time phrase to our sentence, something like Amy studies twice a week or Amy stays every day. This sentence is saying that the studying is part of her routine. It's something that is more or less permanent. Amy is going to continue to study until she finishes her course. Present simple is used for things that are generally true and permanent. Present continuous is used for things that are true now temporarily. Let's compare these two sentences, one written in present simple and the other written in present continuous. This sentence, Jane bites her nails, shows a habit that Jane has. It's an action she repeats, but she is not necessarily doing it right now. We can clarify how often she repeats this habit using an adverb. Perhaps Jane sometimes bites her nails, or maybe she often bites her nails. This sentence, Jane is biting her nails, refers to a more temporary action, something she is doing right now. Perhaps she is about to take an important test. This sentence means that Jane is currently biting her nails. Here's another pair of sentences for us to compare. The bus arrives at 5:30. The bus is arriving at 5:30. Present simple shows us that this is according to a schedule. The bus regularly arrives at 5:30. We could say the bus arrives at 5:30 every Monday or every day. This sentence, written in the present continuous, tells us something slightly different. The sentence doesn't often refer to a schedule the bus follows, or that this is an ongoing event, but that this time the bus will arrive at 5:30. Perhaps normally it arrives at 5, but today it's been delayed. Or perhaps this is a bus organized for a one-off event. Present simple and present continuous are used in different situations. Present simple is used for routines and scheduled events. For example, I walk to work and the game starts at 8 o'clock. It's also used for facts and for situations considered more or less permanent. For example, Earth orbits the sun, and they live by the beach. Present continuous is used for actions that are happening right now and for temporary situations. For example, the sun is setting. It looks amazing. And I am living with my parents at the moment. It can also be used for definite future plans, such as we're meeting the new boss tomorrow. Present continuous is used with dynamic verbs, not stative verbs. Dynamic verbs describe the actions. Stative verbs describe a state or a condition. For example, the verb need is not dynamic. So we wouldn't say Joe is needing a new coat for school. We would say Joe needs a new coat for school. Note that there are various exceptions to this rule. Present continuous is often used for temporary habits and annoying habits, like you are always chewing with your mouth open. Thank you guys for following along and hope to see you in the next lesson. And if you need a bit of extra practice, there is a cheat sheet